This presentation is for Standard 2.3, Criterion 7. This is the rubric I created to evaluate new digital tools that I would be using and sharing with peers and colleagues. I used criteria that are important to my teaching, such as design, features, and functionality, connection to curriculum, accessibility, instructional features, differentiation, and assessment/feedback features. As you can see here on my blog is where I describe the digital tools that I evaluated. For this particular one, I explain and model how to use Scratch Junior and Teach My Monster. Here is the link to the Nearpod that I created, which will take you here. Within my presentation, I give an overview of the tools. I give specific ways to integrate the tool into lessons and the standards that it applies to. I provided a video that has a tutorial on how to use it, and a Collaborate board for when I did share with my peers. They were able to get on my Nearpod after they looked at the tutorial and tried using Scratch on their own, and then we shared out some ideas on how they can use Scratch Junior in their classroom. I gave an overview of Teach Your Monster, ways to integrate the app into lessons, a tutorial video so that teachers would understand how to use it and its benefits, and another Collaborate board for us to share out and discuss some ideas of how to use Teach Your Monster in our classrooms. I also reviewed Flip, which is a video discussion platform, which no longer applies because we can't use Flip anymore, but I did share it out with my peers. I discussed ways to integrate the app into lessons, a tutorial video on how to use it, and another Collaborate board for us to share out ideas of how to use Flip in our classrooms. If you go back to my blog where I discussed these ideas and these apps, you can see that peers left comments, things they liked about the apps that I shared, ideas, and asked questions and provided feedback. Thank you so much for listening.